Okay, so let's take a look at how you can use ISLOGICAL function in Google Sheet. So let's see, in one of the cell I type in ISLOGICAL, and within that function I pass on say true value by default, so it should return true, right? Similarly, say if I pass on false, it should obviously return to false, right? But that doesn't happen. Instead, it will return true. So the reason being that you will notice true and false values are logical, right? Now, to make it true, we will do something different, right? So here, let's see if I use true within quote, return to false. Say if I use false within quote, that will also return to false, right? So as long as the values being passed are not within the single quote or double quote, and they are either true or false, they will return true, right? Now let's see if I do some mathematical operation, what it will result into. Let's see, 1 by 0 results into false because it is returning some sort of a value there, right? So that value, it's not within the limit of true or false. It is some value, maybe it is infinite, maybe it is some negative, but it's not true and false, right? So that's one of the thing. Let's say, let's forget numbers, let's forget logical two answers, or even let's forget your typical true or false within quotes. So for now, let's say if I type in something like Google within quotes and hit enter, it will result in false. So when you want the true answer, you will have to either pass true or false to his logical function to get true. Otherwise, in any other condition, it will result in false.